leg. Ow. Man, good thing I have my pendulum. Neutralize trauma. Witness complete and total healing. You know, this one is doing a good job, but I think it needs a little extra. Let me get my other pendulum out. Luckily, I'm carrying my other pendulum too. Okay, let's get the 3D healer out here. All right, I'll just rotate over. Oh, that's feeling much better now. The first one started it, but this is really doing it. I can feel it. Okay, now obviously that was just a simulation, but in real life, I do this all the time. If you have a high vibration pendulum, like this 3D healer, or this violet flame pendulum, violet flame toth, or any of the pendulums that I carry on my website, if you get like a bang, a bruise, a burn, you know, obviously get medical attention if you need medical attention. But if you have one of these pendulums available, you can actually do a lot to reduce the pain and sometimes even cause stimulate a miraculous healing. And this really works wonders. I've done this, other people have done this, and sometimes the results are shockingly good. Shocking in a good way. Like, you get rapid healing. Once I hit my head and I had a massive bump on my head, and I took the pendulum, and in about 5 minutes of just rotating it over my head, it just completely went away. Other times I've gotten like burns on my fingers while cooking, and then I very quickly used the pendulum, and the next day there was nothing there. The pendulum is more effective than ice. It's more effective than cold water. And while, of course, like, you got to get medical care if you need it, you absolutely should try this method out. You just take a high vibe pendulum. Here, I'll grab one. Just take a high vibe pendulum, rotate it over the body part that's having the problem, and then you can say some commands like neutralize trauma, witness total healing, etc. And you can get really good results from this. If you have kids who play sports, you should absolutely have a pendulum with you. And if you do this when they get an injury while playing sports, many times the injury will just go away. They might be able to resume playing right away once they've been checked out, or it can just be gone completely within a short amount of time. Same thing when you're at home. If you get a bang, a bruise, a burn, this really works extremely well. Now, it won't work as well if you don't have a high vibe pendulum. You need to have one that has very specific shape, that has like what they call good energy. It stimulates the human biofield to have a healing response. And all the ones on my website are good like that. There are some others out there too that are good for that, but if you just have like a regular pendulum, like a crystal on a chain, it's not gonna work very well for this. It'll do a little bit for sure, but it won't be as effective as these. So you need to have the right pendulum. The energy, the quote-unquote energy of the pendulum, or its stimulatory effect on the human biofield, has to be positive. It has to be good. And there are certain pendulums that are designed for this. But still, you should definitely try it out. And with the high vibe pendulum, the commands are optional. You don't have to say the command. You can just literally just spin the pendulum over. So I'm going to grab the 3D healer here. This one, I use it all the time on aches, pains, tummy aches for both people and pets, headaches, etc. Bangs, bruises, cuts, burns. This thing works wonders on people, on pets, and it's just amazing. You can really solve a lot of problems with this. And as I said before, it's even more effective than using ice or arnica or any of those things that people commonly use. This is actually much more effective. And sometimes it can result in miraculous shifts and changes, where you have healing that occurs seemingly instantaneously or overnight, or with very, very quickly. It speeds up the healing process. So, of course, like I said, get medical care if you need it, but you absolutely should be using your pendulum on a daily basis for first aid. It is absolutely essential because it will save you so much grief, so much trouble, and you'll enjoy life more, and you know, it'll be better all around. Your family, your friends, your pets will be happy. Okay, post your questions and comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.